Okay, this is the East German Soviet bloc. Um, Basically, it's called the Planet Explorer or Planetoid. And the batteries are internal on this, and you have to disassemble the unit to get them inside. So they're the 4.5 volt European style rectangular batteries. And it's a beautiful piece. High quality as far as the plastics and the metal. Um, Crude, but that's what I like about these toys. I think that's what gives them their beauty. Anyhow, this one took quite a bit of work um, to get it to mobilize, but it's working pretty good now. Lights all illuminate, they're in place. Let's see if I can get her to go in reverse. It's hard to steer one-handed. All right, well, before I dump it, I think you get the idea.